Hey Big Dog fam, time you guys are seeing this video, this is just a announcement to let the Big Dog fam know. Now if you didn't know, 12, let's say 15 months ago, I got a blue cattle dog female pup. If you go and have a look on my Instagram, 2 pictures should be up. And I think there's like 2 videos, maybe 3 videos of me talking about her. Telling you guys are watching this. I'm recording this on the Thursday. Telling you guys are seeing this. It's probably on the 4th of September. So 10 days away from her giving puppies. And that could be a week later. No, if it's got my information on it. No, it doesn't, but I will hide. So this is the thing the vet gave me and my dad, gave us all this paperwork, about 4 pages. And all that. And this is a picture of her puppies. So all the white dots on the screen are 8 to 10 puppies. So yeah. She's about nice. So, she'll probably have about 10 days after you guys are watching this video, and yeah. And it was, my other blue cow dog. I got 2, I got a male and I got a female. My close friends know about, online, know about my female dog being pregnant. Just thought I'd let you guys know about it. Keep you guys keep you guys updated on the situation. And I guess if you guys like this video, I guess I'll try and talk my dad around to seeing the process of not the birth, not like the birth of her puppies. Like that will be private. That's her and me and Dad. We won't film that. We'll just film like 2 days after that, and then we might do like a weekly update kind of thing. So the 14th, the 15th, the 16th. If you don't follow me on Instagram and Twitter, mostly Twitter, I'm going to be updating you guys from the 8th of September, or next month. Well, yeah. Time you guys are watching this, you guys will be watching this in the future, and all of that. So, links will be down in the description to go and follow my Twitter and my Instagram. And yeah. So why didn't I film the ultrasound? Just because where we take them to the vet, or where I take my dogs to the vet, you're not supposed to film behind the counter or in like the vet room, and where they do the ultrasound and all that. So yeah. So I guess I'll let you guys go, and hope you guys did enjoy, and girls. So if you could leave a like, a comment, subscribe. If you're new to the channel, make sure you do that. And I'll keep you guys updated from the 8th of, I think it's September next month. Is it? August, September, October, November, December. Yeah, September next month. So, yeah. I just had to work that out real quick. Okay, I'll do it to you guys in the next video. Peace out.